Not guilty. That plea entered today by a police officer at the center of a brutality investigation. Detective Robert Decarlo, accused of beating Luis Mendonca, stood in front of a judge with no uniform and no badge. Target 12 investigator Tim White was the first to release the surveillance video of that beating. He joins us live now in Providence with details on today's arraignment and reaction from the victim's family members.
45-year-old Robert Decarlo, a member of the elite Providence Police robbery squad, found himself on the wrong side of the law, facing charges in a scandalous police beating issue that could mean up to 20 years behind bars.
What say you to this charge?
Not guilty, Your Honor.
Providence Police Detective Robert Decarlo arraigned this morning on charges he kicked a robbery suspect and beat him with a flashlight. The case bursting on the scene with this video surveillance of that October 20th night.
He did not ever see that man handcuffed.
Decarlo's attorney, Peter DiBiase, says the surveillance cameras in the video were infrared.
That camera could penetrate the darkness. This was one of the darkest nights of the year.
Peter, knowing now he was handcuffed, any regrets?
Of course. This man is a man who has no violent history. He's a man who's been a model police officer. No one feels worse about this than Mr. Decarlo.
To witness the arraignment, family members of 21-year-old Luis Mendonca, the man prosecutors say was restrained when Decarlo beat him. His sister, Rosa Mendonca, says she actually felt sorry for Decarlo.
Just look at the guy. He was very scared.
Compared to other high-profile police beating cases in Woonsocket and Lincoln, Rosa Mendonca says the Providence Police Department was slow to react.
In Lincoln, less than 1 week, they said, we have to get away. This guy got to go because we don't tolerate this. But Providence took them 4 months to decide either they're going to keep the guy in a job or he's going to get paid. Hello, they're supposed to protect us.
Decarlo's attorney says colleagues from the Providence Police Department joined him in the courtroom for support. Now, he is free on personal recognizance, but he is suspended without pay from the force. As for Mendonca, he is being held by Immigrations and Customs Enforcement on an immigration violation. Live with the Target 12 investigators, Tim White, Eyewitness News.